In this video, we are going to work on there is a little modification which is required when we have accessories in a large corporate, because in case of total, we are finding total. Over here, we have one extra additional condition which says it should be accessories. How do we find which is accessories, which is a type of a product? So there is a way around, which is you select the entire range which is of product, and you click over here, which is a part of name range, and rename this range as product. Okay, same with region, select the entire and uh, name it as a region. Same with customer, so you rename it as customer, and same with agent, you rename it as agent. Okay, we have four conditions over here: product, region, customer, and agent. Okay, now we go to accessories. We are basically count if s, which is a multiple condition. Let me repeat this will work from 2013 version onwards. If you have older version, then this formula will not work. Sum if s, so basically you have date criteria, which is date. I've made it constant. Criteria is this, which is my date for that particular range. Now in this criteria range 2, there is, interestingly, there is something called as choose function. Choose function, it says which value you want to choose. So over here I want to choose first value. First value of what? So this basically will give you which product range or which particular range you are looking for. So over here I have four things, which is product, so it will give me output over here, region, customer, and agent. The four ranges which I have defined, it will give me ranges over here. I'll close the bracket, and it asks me what is my criteria number 2. So criteria number 2 over here is this, which this needs to be constant. My criteria number 2 is D12, which is only for accessories within that particular product range. I need output. So this choose, what this choose will work. So this will take 1 as an input. Since 1, it will take product as an range, and then out of which, wherever the condition satisfies where the product is accessories, it will give me the count. What if my choose function was 2? So it will take region as an output, choose 3, then customer as an output, as a range, and 4 agent, and then it will compare with the condition and then give the output. If I click this, it will give me output over here. Similar with the large corporate. In case of talk time, I will do sum if s. What is my sum range? I want to sum the call duration, which is over here. I'll make this constant. What is my criteria range 1, which is my date function? So I will select the dates. I'll make this constant. What is my criteria range 1, which is selected date? What is my criteria range 2? So it depends on the choose function. If it is 1, then write product, region, customer, agent, and I'll close the bracket. Lastly, it will ask me what is my it starts from here, sorry, it starts from, okay, and then it will ask me what is my criteria range number 2 or criteria 2, which is my accessories, and I'll make this constant again. So wherever there is accessories in the product type, sum all the values. I have not made something crucial constant. Okay, this E4 needs to be made constant, and I'll simply drag this, and that's pretty much about it. Similarly can be done for resolution, satisfaction, upsell. I So this is a broad contour of what we are doing actually. So I hope you have liked this video. In the next video we will conclude this dashboard, where we are going to display the chart. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you.